to learn day trading. Welcome, future traders and finance enthusiasts, to a journey that could potentially change the way you look at the financial world. Imagine being at the helm, navigating the waves of the stock market with skill and precision. Today, we present to you an exciting and comprehensive guide on how to learn day trading. This guide is a treasure trove, whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of trading or striving to reach new heights in your financial ventures. We will unravel the intricate tapestry of technical charts, delve into the fascinating psychology behind trading, and even take you on a virtual global escapade through different markets. This isn't just a tutorial, it's an invitation to embark on an intellectually stimulating and potentially rewarding adventure. So settle in comfortably and prepare to chart your course through the intriguing realm of day trading. Day trading. Let's start by defining day trading. Day trading is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day, with the goal of making profits from small price movements. From stocks and ETFs to cryptocurrencies and Forex, day trading encompasses a wide range of markets. To kickstart your day trading journey, the first step is education. Immerse yourself in the sea of financial education. Understand the basics of trading, such as bid and ask prices, market orders, limit orders, and stop losses. A strong foundation is essential to develop your trading skills. Read books, watch tutorials, and participate in webinars. Some renowned books in this field include A Beginner's Guide to Day Trading Online by Tony Turner and How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz. Diving into technical analysis. Next, it's time to understand technical analysis. This involves analyzing price charts and using statistical measures to predict future price movements. This is highly essential in day trading, as it's all about making profits from small price movements. Learn about candlestick patterns, trend lines, support and resistance levels, moving averages, and various indicators like MACD and RSI. Familiarize yourself with various trading strategies. There's no one-size-fits-all strategy in day trading. What works for someone else might not work for you. Some popular day trading strategies include momentum trading, breakout trading, pullback trading, and scalping. Experiment with different strategies using a demo account, which brings us to our next step, paper trading. Before you dive into the live markets, practice with paper trading. Paper trading involves simulated trading, where you use virtual money to trade. This helps you understand the mechanics of trading and test your strategies without risking your capital. Understanding trading station. Now let's talk about setting up your trading station. Your trading station should include a reliable computer, multiple monitors, and a high-speed internet connection. This setup will enable you to efficiently monitor various charts and execute trades without any hitches. Also, select a trading platform that offers robust charting tools, a user-friendly interface, and prompt customer support. Some popular platforms are Thinkorswim, TradingView, and MetaTrader. When you feel ready, it's time to select a brokerage. Brokerages act as intermediaries between you and the financial markets. Compare different brokerages based on their fee structures, platforms, and customer service. Pay attention to the commissions they charge, as high commissions can eat into your profits, especially if you're making a large number of trades. Mastering the art of risk management. Let's talk about the most critical aspect, risk management. Without proper risk management, your day trading venture could be short-lived. Set a daily loss limit and never risk more than a small percentage of your trading capital on a single trade. This will prevent you from blowing up your account and give you more chances to learn and grow. Furthermore, keep emotions at bay. Day trading can be an emotional roller coaster. Developing a trading plan and sticking to it is crucial. A trading plan should encompass your risk management rules, trading strategies, and criteria for entering and exiting trades. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on greed or fear. Recording and reviewing your trades is an often overlooked but essential component of becoming a successful day trader. Maintain a trading journal, jotting down the details of each trade, including the strategy used, entry and exit points, profits or losses, and any observations. Review this journal periodically to identify patterns, both in the market and in your trading habits, that can contribute to your success. It's important to note that day trading is not just a career, it's a lifestyle. As a day trader, you need to be mentally agile and disciplined. Cultivate a balanced lifestyle, incorporating physical exercise and mental wellness techniques to keep your mind sharp and emotions in check. Finally, never stop learning. The financial markets are constantly evolving, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Stay up to date with market news, continue educating yourself, and be open to adapting your strategies. Let's take a brief, fun detour and talk about the psychological aspects of trading. It is often said that day trading is 10% skill and 90% emotion. Picture this. You are sitting in front of your shiny new multi-screen setup. The market opens and it's a frenzy. It's like watching an action-packed movie. There's drama, there's suspense, and your adrenaline is pumping. The market movements can sometimes resemble the plot of a thrilling blockbuster with unexpected twists and turns. Embrace the excitement, but keep in mind that you are the director of your own blockbuster. You should be in control of the narrative. Don't let the market control you. Another exciting aspect of day trading is the sheer variety of instruments you can trade. Stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies. It's like being in a candy store. Each comes with its own flavor and characteristics. And speaking of flavors, let's make an analogy with cooking. Imagine you're a chef trying to perfect a recipe. You don't throw in random ingredients hoping for a culinary masterpiece. You carefully measure, taste, and adjust. Similarly, in trading, you need to carefully analyze, measure your risks, and adjust your strategies. Now, let's discuss the global nature of day trading. Imagine traveling the world through your screens. As you trade different currencies in the Forex market or international stocks, you're virtually hopping from one country to another. It's like being a global citizen, but from the comfort of your desk. The world's economy is your playground. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Being aware of different time zones, cultural impacts, and geopolitical events is crucial. Did we mention the importance of a trading persona? Just like superheroes, traders often have an alter ego. Some might be the early bird catching pre-market trends, while others might be the sniper waiting for the perfect moment to strike a trade. Find your trading persona that resonates with your style. This adds a layer of fun and personal touch to your trading adventure. Have you ever wondered how day trading can sometimes resemble a game of chess? In both, you need to think several steps ahead and consider various scenarios. Like a grandmaster, a day trader has to understand the board, the market, and the pieces, different financial instruments. Each move you make should be calculated, taking into consideration not just the present moment, but also anticipating the possible moves of your opponent or other market participants. As in chess, sometimes a strategic retreat is a smart move to avoid bigger losses. Social trading. Now let's dive into the concept of social trading, which has become quite the buzzword in recent years. Imagine trading being a social affair rather than a solitary endeavor. Social trading platforms allow you to follow and interact with other traders, including the experienced ones. It's like having a trading buddy showing you the ropes. You can share insights, discuss strategies, and sometimes even copy the trades of successful traders. But tread carefully. Remember, your trading style is as unique as your fingerprint. What works for others might not be the perfect fit for you. Day trading is not just charts, numbers, and bank accounts. It's an engaging world of psychology, global adventures, and endless learnings. As you venture into this enthralling journey, remember to treat it like a marathon, not a sprint. Equip yourself with the knowledge, sharpen your skills, manage your risks, and sprinkle some fun along the way. To sum it up, day trading can be highly rewarding, but it's not without its risks. With education, practice, proper risk management, and continuous learning, you can navigate the tumultuous waters of day trading. Whether you're aiming for an additional income stream or looking to make day trading your full-time career, remember that perseverance, discipline, and an analytical mindset are your keys to success. Thank you for tuning in to this guide on how to learn day trading. May your trading journey be filled with learning and prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content and share this video with aspiring day traders. Happy trading!